Understanding at the Premiere, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, at the premiere. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday conversation and in the media. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and explore some examples to help you master this expression. At the premiere refers to being present at the first public performance or showing of a film, play, opera, or other artistic production. The word premiere is borrowed from French, where it means first. This phrase often connotes a sense of exclusivity and celebration, as premieres are typically high-profile events with celebrities and media attention. To understand how "at the premiere" is used in English, let's look at some examples. 1. I saw the director at the premiere of his new movie. This implies that the speaker attended the first showing of a film and saw the director there. 2. The actors were nervous at the premiere. This suggests that during the first public performance, the actors felt nervous. 3. Fans gathered at the premiere to see their favorite stars. This indicates that fans assembled at the event to see celebrities. Understanding at the premiere is crucial for two reasons. 1. Cultural relevance. Premieres are significant events in the entertainment industry. Being familiar with this term helps in understanding news and conversations about films, theater, and other arts. 2. Language fluency. Knowing phrases like, at the premiere, enhances your fluency and ability to engage in more diverse topics in English. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of "at the premiere." Remember, learning phrases like this one is a great step towards becoming fluent in English. Keep practicing, and see you at the next lesson.